Namaste. Today we are going to talk about NVIDIA, a company that is leading the way in artificial intelligence. NVIDIA has been at the forefront of AI for many years, and they are poised to continue their dominance in this rapidly growing field. NVIDIA's GPU or graphic processing unit are used by many of the world's leading AI researchers and developers. GPUs are very efficient at performing the mathematical calculations that are required for AI algorithms. This makes them ideal for training and running large AI models. In 2012, NVIDIA's GPUs were used to train AlexNet, the first AI model that was able to outperform humans at image classification. AlexNet's success paved the way for a wave of new AI breakthroughs, and NVIDIA's GPUs were essential to many of these advances. Today, NVIDIA's GPUs are used to power a wide range of AI applications, including self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, and natural language processing, as AI continues to grow in importance. NVIDIA is well positioned to benefit from this trend. We are talking about NVIDIA, that company that has dominated the AI market for years. But can anyone beat them? NVIDIA is synonymous with AI. They are go-to company for GPUs, the chip that power the AI applications. They have a huge market share and they are constantly innovating. But they are not without their challenges. One challenge is competition. AMD and Intel are both developing their own AI chips, and Google is also a major player in the AI space. They have their own AI chip called TPU, and they are also investing heavily in AI research. Another challenge is geopolitics. The United States has imposed export controls on China, which could make it difficult for NVIDIA to sell its chip to Chinese companies. So can anyone beat NVIDIA in AI? It's possible, but it's not going to be easy. NVIDIA has a huge head start and they are not going to give up their dominance without a fight. But that's what makes the AI race so exciting. It's battle between the best and brightest mind in the industry, and we are all at the beneficiaries. As AI technology continues to improve, it will have profound impact on our lives. It will make us healthier, wealthier, and more productive. So who will win the AI race? It's too early to say, but one thing is for sure, it is going to be an amazing ride. Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA, always knew that his graphic chips had more potential than just powering the latest video games. However, he didn't anticipate the shift to deep learning. In fact, the success of NVIDIA's GPUs for deep neural network was a bizarre lucky coincidence. According to Sarah Hooker, whose 2020 essay The Hardware Lottery explored the reasons why various hardware tools succeeded and failed. NVIDIA's success was like winning the lottery, she told VentureBeast last year. Much of it's depended upon the right moment of alignment between progress on the hardware side and progress on the modeling side. The change, she added, was almost instantaneous. Overnight, what took 13,000 CPUs took only 2 GPUs. That was how dramatic it was. NVIDIA doesn't agree with that assessment. However, the company maintains that NVIDIA was aware of the potential for GPUs to accelerate neural network from the mid-2000s, even if they didn't know that AI was going to be the most important market. We did know that world's most important problems needed accelerated computing, said a NVIDIA spokesperson. So we invested heavily in building CUDA. CUDA is Compute Unified Device Architecture from top to bottom, putting general purpose acceleration into the hands of millions of developers. Adding CUDA to every GPU NVIDIA makes was a huge bet. The CUDA compute platform, which NVIDIA added in 2007, is the software and middleware stack that allows researchers to program and access the compute power and extreme parallelism that GPUs can enable. And the deep learning revolution wouldn't have happened, experts both inside and outside of NVIDIA emphasize, if NVIDIA had not added CUDA to the mix in 2007. Before NVIDIA released CUDA, programming a GPU was a long, arduous coding process that required writing a great deal of low-level machine code. Using CUDA, which was free, researchers could develop their deep learning model much more quickly and cheaply, on NVIDIA's hardware, of course. In the late 2010s, a number of AI chip startups started making waves. These startups were designing chips specifically for AI, and many people thought that they would be able to compete with NVIDIA. However, NVIDIA has been able to innovate both in its hardware and software, which has allowed it to keep its lead. That being said, NVIDIA's lead is not insurmountable. Habana Labs, owned by Intel, has some good result with its Habana Gaudi 2 chip. Google's TPU 4 is also competitive with NVIDIA's A100 chip. Finally, NVIDIA is not resting on its its laurels. The company is constantly investing in new technologies such as its new Hopper H100 chip. This chip is designed to be the engine for massively scalable AI infrastructure. It includes a new component called the transformer engine that's specifically optimized for training and inference of the transformer layer, which is the building block of GPT. ChatGPT, for example, is the generative pre-trained transformer. Now I'm going to tell about 3 of the NVIDIA's generative AI products and services. One is NVIDIA Nemo. This is a platform for developing and deploying large language models. Nemo can be used to create chatbots, text generators, and other applications that can interact with users in a natural way. NVIDIA Picasso. This is a cloud service that can be used to create and deploy generative AI models for image, video, and 3D content. Picasso can be used to create realistic images, videos, and 3D models for a variety of applications such as product design, digital twin, and storytelling. Third is NVIDIA BioNemo. This is a platform for developing and deploying generative AI models for biology. BioNemo can be used to create models that can generate new proteins, DNA sequence, and other biological data. Now, going through the above point, we have to understand what the future holds for NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA has been leader of the AI space, that is clear. It has also good plans for the future, and it has better understanding for hardware and software both, but there are competitors knocking on its door. Let's see what really the future holds for NVIDIA. Thank you for watching till here. Do share it with your friends and family. See you again with a new exciting topic. Namaste.